Okay, this is math lesson, your packet, lesson 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 for Wednesday, May 24th. Okay, in our packet today, we're going to be reviewing adding and subtracting again. So just like we did yesterday, if it says add 4, you're going to go up on your number line. Plus, that means go up and you're going to get a bigger number for the sum, for the answer. If it's subtraction, you're going to minus, you're going to go backwards on your number line. Okay, so you're going to get a smaller number. Okay, so 6 plus 4, so you're going to 6 and 4 hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward. Okay, so a bigger number for the sum. To subtract, you're going to take away, so you're going to get a smaller number. 7 minus 2, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so go ahead and complete all of those. Down here, you need to find the rule for each one. So if you go to the one that's already completed, that will help you know if they're adding or subtracting. Okay, so on this one, you're going to look at 8 and 10. On this one, you're going to look at 8 and 7. So if you have 8, do you have to add to get a bigger number, or do you subtract? If we're going to get a bigger number, that means we added. So we know it's going to be a plus. Okay, so how many did we have to add? So go to 8. How many hops to get to 10? 1, 2. So that means they added 2. Okay. So that means here you're going to add 2. 4 plus 2, put your answer. On this one, you know the answer, but you don't know what you started with. So you need a smaller number. So to find a smaller number, you can go back 2. So you can go 8 and go 1, 2. Okay, so that must be 6, because 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so if you know 12, take away 2, how many will be left? Okay, on this one, you started with a bigger number and then you get a smaller number. If you're getting a smaller number at the end, that means you're subtracting. So you're minusing. Subtracting how many? If you have 8 and you need to get 7, how many hops did you go? 1. Okay, so 6. If you know what 6 is, you need the bigger number here. So you're going to add 1. 6 plus 1 would be 7. 7 minus 1 would be 6. Okay, so 10 minus 1, put the answer. Here you already know the big number, so you need a smaller number, so you have to go back 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay. Okay, this is also a review page. We're going to add 3 numbers, and we're going to use one of the strategies we've learned. If there's doubles, that's the easiest strategy. Okay, so I can see in this one, there are doubles here. 5 plus 5 is 10, and then I need to add 3 more. 10 plus 3 is 13. You're adding, so go up on your number line. So the strategy I used is doubles. Okay. On this one, I see 9 and 9, and I only need 1 more to make a 10. So if I add 9 and 1, that's 10. So I use the make a 10 strategy. Then I only have to add 6 more. 10 plus 6. So I use my number line, 10 and 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. Okay. If you don't have any doubles, or you don't have anything that makes a 10, then you just use the count on strategy. So if I do 6 plus 2, 6, 1, 2, that's 8. And then 8 plus 7, 8 and 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 15, and I use the count on strategy. Number 10, Andy has 5 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, and 6 yellow marbles. How many marbles does he have? So you're going to add the red marbles, the blue marbles, and the yellow marbles, just like you are here, and put the sum. Okay, lesson 8 is also an adding review. Okay, so we're going to add a 1-digit number to a 2-digit number. Okay, so if you have a 100 chart, you could go to 34, and plus 5 means go forward 5 hops. Okay, if you don't have your number line, then remember to make your T-chart and add your 10s together and your 1s together. Okay, so I have 4 plus 5, so I can go to my number line. 4 plus 5 hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 9, and 3 plus nothing is 3 plus 0 is just 3, so my answer is 39. Okay. Number 13, there are 21 children in the pool, then 5 more children join them. How many children are in the pool now? So if they join them, that means plus. Okay, so you're going to add 21 and 5. And write this up. Okay, on lesson 9, you're adding 2 two-digit numbers. Okay, so the best way is remember to make your T-chart, okay? And so you have your 10s on the left, your 1s on the right. So add all your 1s together, always add going down. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Then your 10s, 3 10s plus 5 10s is 8 10s, so your answer is 83. Number 13, Evan has 15 toy cars. His brother has 13 toy cars. How many toy cars do they have together? Okay, together tells me you're going to add. So you're going to add 15 and 13. When you write them, make sure you write them with your 10s together right underneath each other and your 1s right underneath each other. Okay, so then you can add just your 1s, 5 plus 3, then go add your 10s, 1 plus 1 to get your sum. And lesson 10 is using repeated addition. Okay, remember we already did this too. So this is how many groups we have. Those are our big circles. This is how many are in each group. These are our little circles that are in the big circles. Okay, so remember repeated addition is a lot of times is adding doubles. So that makes it easier. So if I have 2 groups, 1, 2, and each group has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many do I have? So my repeated addition is 4 plus 4, and I know 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so here you're going to have 3 groups of 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, and add that up. Use your number line. Here you're going to have 4 groups of 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, and 5 groups of 5, counting by 5s. Okay, number 5, there are 3 bowls. There are 3 apples in each bowl. How many apples are there? Okay, so draw it if you need to. 3 bowls, and there are 3 apples in each bowl. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Count all the apples. There are 2 shelves. Each shelf has 5 books. How many books are there? So 2 shelves, 5 books in each. So draw 5 in each. Okay, 5 plus 5. Write your answer. Okay, and our last lesson for today is lesson 11. Use a repeated addition to solve these problems. Draw pictures to show the story. Write the addition to solve. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Krista plays with 3 friends. She wants to give each friend 4 pretzels. How many pretzels does Krista need? Okay, so she has 3 friends, so that makes 3 circles. Okay, 1 is each friend. 4 pretzels in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you also need to write the addition. So that's the repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, then go ahead and put your answer. Okay, then you're going to do the same one with Ed. He has 5 friends, so I'm going to see 5 big circles, and he gives each friend 5 seeds, so 5 in each. So, and then your repeated addition should say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, okay, so draw it, write the addition sentence, and the answer. Number 3, circle the way you can model the problem, then solved. There are 5 friends. Each friend has 4 books. How many books are there? Okay, so if you have 5 friends, that's 5 big circles, and each friend gets 4 books. So that's 4 circles inside the big circles. So is that 5 groups of 5? No, because I don't have 2 5s, so that can't be it. Is that 5 groups of 4? 5 friends in the groups and 4 books? That sounds good. Or is it 4 groups of 5? It's not 4 groups of 5 because that's backwards. 5 groups of 4. So it's this one. Okay, so then you need to write how many books is that. So make sure you do your repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4
draw it if you need to.
Okay, that's your math lesson for today. Have a great day.